Hey guys, come with me and let's go shop for a customer who requested for us to cook her some cabbage and fish gravy. So here we are on our way to the Kroger. We made it to the Kroger. I was going to go to the farmer's market, but she only eat fish, so I figured it would be easier just to go to Kroger than to go to the farmer's market. But anyways, here we are, me and the kids. We're getting all her groceries. Typically I ask permission if I can bring my kids, and some people agree because it's easier to bring like one or two of them because they can help me when I'm cooking, so I won't be like all up in people's kitchen. So anyway, here we are getting her bell pepper, jalapenos, habanero peppers, and her cabbage. And guys, it's hard taking the kids with you to go shopping anywhere, but here we are. I'm making sure everybody got an assignment to do, taking a bell pepper, and some people got some bags in their hand. One person got a bag, one person getting the onion, the other person getting the cabbage, so it makes my work easier to shop at the grocery store. So anyway, after we got the groceries, we headed looking for the fish, but she told me she only ate seafood. So I called her and I asked her if she liked shrimp, and she told me no, she didn't like shrimp. So I was like, okay, now it makes everything easier for me to cook. But anyways, look at this beautiful groceries. It's so pretty. This is at Kroger here where we are. So anyways, here we are walking around Kroger because I was looking for some onion, and I was also looking for her fish. And I found the seafood department, right? Yeah. This is when I called her, texted her, and asked her if she liked shrimp, and she said no. So I started looking for the fish I wanted to use, and I found the fish, and that was actually like $14, which was not bad compared to if I had went to the farmer's market. So I found her fish, and we got the canned fish because she liked the canned fish. So we were looking for canned fish. We found the canned fish and everything else. So I'm at her house, and here we are. I season my fish, and blend out my bell pepper and habaneros. This is the cabbage that I'm cooking, and the gravy took no time. It was done. So I cooked her cabbage and I made the gravy, and I used the canned fish and the regular fish that I bought because she really loved fish. But here's the end of the video. Our gravy is done, but if you like this video, please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And I took some snippets of my veggies. Bye.